God, this is ridiculous. I can't believe I got grounded for blasting Sir Handel with a daybreak. What should I do now? I have an idea. I'm going to steal a top brush from Silverstar Car Wash. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's go to Silverstar Car Wash. Alright, I made it to Silverstar Car Wash. Now let's head inside and steal a top brush. There it is, I found the top brush. I'm going to steal it. Alright, now to get out of Silverstar Car Wash before I get caught. Phew, that was close. I'm so glad that no one caught me stealing a top brush from Silverstar Car Wash. Now I'm going to go on my phone and watch some YouTube videos. Oh no, I can hear my mom coming. I need to hide this top brush right now.
Shadow Queen Daisy, I recently heard that a top brush was stolen from Silverstar Car Wash. Do you know anything about this?
No mom, I don't.
Oh, really? Then what's that behind your back?
Alright, fine, you caught me. I stole this top brush from Silverstar Car Wash.
Shadow Queen Daisy, what the heck is wrong with you? I can't believe you stole a top brush from Silverstar Car Wash. You know you can get arrested for doing that. That's it. You are grounded for 12 weeks. And I will return this top brush to Silverstar Car Wash. Go to bed, right now, young lady, and I will tell your father about this when he gets home.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Wow.